friends, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be sharing with you all the cleaning of my master bedroom, because I have been thinking of doing it since a long time, but I was just ignoring it. But today I finally have some time in my hand, so I thought that I need to do this. So today is Monday and I need to change my bed sheets and put it into wash and change all the pillow covers and just clean the entire room overall. So that's what I will be doing it right now. So if you guys like this kind of a video, then please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel, as it will mean a lot to me. And I hope this video motivates you all to tackle a part of your house to clean it up. So yeah, with that being said, let's start with the video. So as you can see, I have stuffs all over the place, and yeah, my vanity is also full of makeup, and yep, that is how it looks in the morning. Here also, yeah, there's clothes all over, since I have folded all the clothes last night, but I was so tired and sleepy that I didn't put it inside. I just kept it on the top. So yeah, and I have these sheets and comforters already washed and ready to go, and I will be taking all these off and putting all these in the washer. So yeah, that's what I will be doing. So without being delayed, let's get started. finally the whole room is all cleaned and nice, and I really like this comforter, and it goes very well with the theme of this room, which is black, white and some metallics. So yeah, this room feels so fresh and nice after it's all been cleaned and wiped. Tonight I will like really have a good night sleep for sure. I have cleaned up my room. I used this Febreze air freshener, and this is the linen and sky air freshener. And what I do is that I just like spray it all over the room so that the room will feel a little bit more fresh than as usual. And I got this one from Costco, and it came in a pack of 4 or 5, and this was only for $8.99. So I really like this one. Like after you have cleaned up your room and once you spray this air freshener, it feels so nice and fresh. So yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, then please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.